Hi, I am Teacher Paul. Today we are talking about different occupations or jobs. Are you ready? Let's go.
What is his job? He is a drone pilot. He takes photos while flying a drone.
What is her job? She is a deep sea diver. She builds and repairs underwater structures.
What is his job? He is a professional gamer. He plays video games full-time for prize money. What is her job? She is a professional hunter. She manages wildlife. She can track animals.
What is his job? He is a professional rugby player. He is an athlete playing rugby for a living.
What is her job? She is a race car driver. She drives cars very fast in competitions. What is his job? He is a judge. He listens to problems and makes fair decisions.
What is her job? She is a digger operator. She uses diggers to dig, move, and load dirt.
Now it is your turn to practice. Click the link below. Goodbye.